Have you ever looked in the mirror and not seen yourself? Like you got lost somewhere along the way. Well, maybe you just need some help getting back. But that's not something they tell you these days. I never wanted to be that girl, but I'm stuck on this little street, and my smile won't come but my hair still curls.
我们现在要搭极地过夜
And
火
I
车
guess
去
that's
看。
how they recognize me.
好冷。
I'm not actually here anymore. I've forgotten what I came here for. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. There's no one around for miles. They left me here in the dust.
我的房
They're
间。
actually all right next to me. But it's like I'm a
餐厅
ghost.
很远呢，我刚才
I'm
经过
not
的。
actually
我可
here
以
anymore.
等一下再。
I've forgotten what I came here for. You with the bright eyes,
不丑哦。
I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to.
哦，直接在这里洗。
Bright eyes, I envy you.
我们刚才发现要把这个拉过来才可以洗。我说不要看着马桶洗了。
And I'm done playing games. With everyone, and I'm done with the past. Wish I could let it go, make it last for a while. You with the big smile, watch your back, or you'll be cold and bitter like me, and that's a fact. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. You with the bright eyes, I envy you. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to. Cold and bitter, that's what I've come to.
Kukkola. So this is Kukkola Forsen and the village is Kukkola. Among this river, Tornion River, the village has the same name. So you have the village of Vojakkala, Vojakkala, Kukkola, Kukkola, Karungi, Karungi. So you have the same villages on both sides on the river, but it's two different countries. So this is Kukkola in Sweden and this is Kukkola in Finland.
Wow, the other side.
So this river is the border between Sweden and Finland. This is actually a magic place because when you come into this restaurant you can see into the future at least for 1 hour. Because here is 11 o'clock and there is 12 o'clock. So it's not just the border, it's also a time zone. So crossing the border, you're also crossing 1 hour in the future. This is very good at New Year's Eve. We celebrate twice. 11 o'clock we have a big fireworks, champagne for everyone, Happy New Year for Finland. And then 12 o'clock we can celebrate again. Happy New Year, Sweden and all the rest. So we need to take every chance to celebrate. I'm standing with the net bag here.
So annoying that you're smart. that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things.
You're welcome. Here, please.
If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's
Here,
not
please.
worth it.
2:35 Swedish time. 2:35. That's the only time you have to keep in mind. 2:35. Anyway, we are going to write on whiteboards on board, and you can always ask us if you are lost, you forgot your time.
How is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do?
好像那个《暮光之城》的场景哦，你有看过吗？破晓。
It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I get that. Oh, Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Just tell me how and do it. Just tell me how and do it. Just tell me how and do it. I'll do it, do it, do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do everything I can.
中间两个是谁？哦，你们？
不知道，是我，
这个是
不是我吧？应该不是我。
一直游的，这个好像是我。
哪个？
这个，
你就从各个地方淘自己的照片。
Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth. It ain't that bad or good. Took L's and W's too. I'll be the last to start and the first to leave. Ooh, I'ma play the part convincingly. I got a lot on my mind. On my shit, I'm way behind. But if you check my pages, I'm doing fine. You'd think being smart was my hobby. Acting dumb was my job. Being lazy is comfy. Doing work is too much. Acting crazy is easy. And calming down ain't no fun. Now I'm finished, but you know I ain't done.
哎，厕所的灯，哦，自动的。
Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me
12算是未成年人，我觉得。
就没有本命了，是吗？啊，这是我过的第一个本命年，就最难的。
我操，你24岁了？
我也24岁。
哦，你
啊，
看不出来。
98的嘛？
对，我98，但我98年底。
就我们俩。我也啊，我98年底。
你别给我装嫩了，还就不敢18。
'Cause my lady is lovely, but she ain't loving me right. It'll always be something in between her and I. It'll either be a bond or some guy. To paint the world is black and white, except for the green on the other side. Pave the way, you never drive.